Foreign accent syndrome, FAS, is a rare speech disorder that can occur after a person suffers a brain injury. The syndrome causes the person to speak with a foreign accent, even though they are not from that country. FAS is thought to be caused by the brain rewiring itself in an attempt to compensate for the damaged area. People with FAS often have difficulty speaking correctly and are often hard to understand. They may also have trouble with some of the sounds in their own language. There is no cure for FAS, but speech therapy can help improve communication skills. Smash the subscribe button if this is helpful to you.